Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I am in mechanical engineer. I completed my BE in mechanical engineer from North Maharashtra University. And today's date is 21 December 2021. And today's topic is memory allocation management in Java. Memory management is a process allocation deallocation of object called memory management. Java does memory management allocate automatically. Java usually automatic memory management system called garbage collection. Thus, we are not required to implement memory management logic in our application. Java memory management divides into two major parts: JVM memory structure, working of garbage collection. JVM memory structure, JVM creates various runtime data areas in a heap. These areas are used during the program execution. The memory areas are destroyed when JVM exits, where the data area is destroyed when the thread exits. Method area. It is a part of heap memory which shared among the all threads. It creates when JVM starts up. It is used to store class structure, superclass name, interference name, and construct. The JVM store following kinds of information in the method area. A fully qualified name of type is the type modifiers type direct superclass name. The structure list of the fully qualified name of the super interference heap area. Heap stores the actually object it created when the JVM starts up. It can be control heap needed. It can be fixed or dynamic size. When you use new keyword, JVM creates instant for the object in heap. While the reference of object stored in the stack, there is a exist only heap which running. JVM process heap becomes fully. The garbage is collection above statement create an object of the string builder class. The object allocation to the heap, the reference allocation to the stack. Heap is divided into following parts: young generation, survivor space, old generation, permanent generation, code cache, reference. There are four types of reference: strong, weak, soft, phantom reference. The different among the types of reference is that object of the heap, the refer eligible for the garbage collection under the different criteria. Strong reference, it is the very simple use. It is daily programming object which is strong reference attached to it is not eligible for garbage collection. We can create a strong reference by using following statement: string builder SB is equal to new string builder double bracket. Weak reference, it is this does not survive after the next garbage collection process. If we are not sure when the data will request, in this condition we create a weak reference to it. In case the garbage collection process it destroys the object when we again the try to object. Soft reference, it is a collection when the application running low on memory, the garbage collection does not collect softly recacheable object. All soft reference objects are collection before the through out of memory error. Stack area, stack generator. When thread creates, it can be either fixed or dynamic size. The stack memory is allocated per thread. It is used to store partial result. It contains reference heap. It also holds value itself rather than reference an object from the heap. The variable store in the stack certain visibility called scope. Stack frame. Stack frame is a data structure that contains the thread. The thread data represent the state of thread in the current method. It is used to store partial result and data. It also performs dynamic linking value written by method dispatch exception. When a method invoke a new frame creates, it destroy the frame when the invocation the name method complete. Each frame contain own local variable array, open stack OS frame data FD. The size of LVA or OS and FD department comparable. Only one frame, the frame for including the method is active any thread control frame called current frame. It is method known as current method. The class method is called as current class. The frame stop the current method. It is if its method invoke another method compile. The frame created the thread, the local that cannot be referenced. PC restrictor. Each thread has program counter and restrictor associated with PC register store in the return address. Native pointer. It also contains the address of JVM, infrastructure, and working of garbage collection overview. When a program execute in Java, it is used memory in different ways. The heap part of memory object lives. It is it is part of memory involved in garbage collection process. It is also known as garbage collectible heap. All the garbage collection make sure the heap has a much free space as possible. Garbage collector find the delete object and reach. Object allocation JVM checks the size object. It distinguishes between the small and large object. The small and large size depends on the JVM version, heap garbage collection strategy, and the size actually usually between the 2 and 2.21 KB. Thank you.